Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Alright guys, so in this lecture we are going to see that the template which we have already created in the previous sessions, how you can use this and save this in order to use it on any sort of page. It's very easy to use and it is going to make your work very simple and easy for you. So in order to make a website and in order to create it very effectively at a faster pace here, we can save this template. So whatever we have created over here, this full page, we can create it in the form of a template. So how to actually do that? So there are two ways to do it. Either you can choose and you can save this section up to, if you only want to save this particular section or like this particular section or maybe this one. So what you can do is you can just right click onto this one and then just click on to save template. So what is going to happen is you just have to name it. So I'm going to name it as Heo 001234 just to know it up, and just click on to the save. Once you save this, your template is going to be saved over here in the library. Now how you can use it on any sort of page. Before moving on to that, I wanted to show you how you can save the full length of your design and use it on any sort of page here. So in order to do that, just go here, navigate to your left hand side bar and click onto this option here with save options, arrow. Then click on to save as template. So what is going to happen is it is going to save this particular full page template in your draft over here. So I'm going to name it as like save template or maybe like save temp. I'll go for 1 2 3 4 5 and I'm going to save this. So now what you can do is you can directly go and open your website. Let's say we wanted to open this. I'll go to the dashboard settings here. And now we'll be creating a new blank page. So I'm going to name it as like maybe contact us, then publish. You can also save this as draft if you do not want to directly publish it. Then click on to edit with Elementor. Now once you have saved your page over there and you have clicked on to edit with Elementor, you can see that we have a blank page over here. So how do we actually add the template? So do we get the option from here? No, unfortunately we do not get any option from here, but we have the option in this folder section over here. So this is the official icon of Elementor only. If you haven't also installed starter templates, you're going to still see this option up over here. So just click on to this template option over here, add template. Then instead of all these pre-made pages or maybe like your blogs, you can move on to my templates. So it is going to show you all those templates which you have saved. So if you remember that we have saved a single section also. Here you can see that we have the part of click on to insert, and what it is going to do is it is going to insert that particular section in your blank page. Even you can see that this particular template is a full page. That means the whole page has been saved as a template. But if we are going to talk about this one up, this is a section. That means a single section has been saved over here. So let's just try adding up the single section. Then we are going to add this full page template also. Click on to insert and click on to apply. So now you can see that we only have this single section added over here. In the same way, you can save all the other sections up and you can compile it, or you can make different combinations with different sections over here by just saving multiple sections. Or what you can do is you can directly add the full page template in order to make it more easier for you. So let's just quickly add this full page template which we just saved previously. Just click on to insert again and click on to apply. So now we can see this, that full page has been added up over here. Let it load. Yeah, so now you can see this, that full page has been added up over here with all the sections. So now what you can do is you can make multiple permutations and combinations to whatever you want in that. So I'm going to remove this one up over here. So this is going to look like this, and this is what we have created. So now you can change the templates, you can change the text from here, you can change the images, you can change the color combinations, whatever you want, you can directly do it from here. Even the sizes also you can do it like the same way over here like this. However you want it, you can do it right away over here. Lastly, you can just click onto the update so that this page can go live onto your website. So let's suppose we just wanted to make a contact us page with this single section. So let's say this is the part of contact us and we do not want this. So we are just going to keep this one up. So this is how the contact us page can easily be created with the previous template. And when you use the templates of a single page and you save that one up and you use it later on, what happens is your website looks pretty much similar. So it's better to create it with the template by saving it up and using into multiple pages just to maintain the parity and just to maintain the look of your website so that it looks exactly the same. If you also wanted to save this particular page template also, only these two sections, again it is going to be the same procedure. Just click on to save options and click on to save template here. Once done, we are good to go with it, and this is how you can save the template and make your work very easy over here. If you have any sort of questions or like any answers you want from me, so you can directly send it in my messages on my Udemy profile, or you can also tell us in the comments also. I most probably reply within 24 to 48 hours. So if you have any questions, just feel free to drop your messages. See you guys in the next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skills, stay connected by subscribing. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.